everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today, I'm going to be guiding you through how to sign up for a Laybuy account. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Into the URL box, type in www.laybuy.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official webpage of Laybuy. Laybuy is a buy now, pay later service that lets you receive your purchase now and spread the total cost over 6 weekly automatic payments with no interest. If you would like to get started and sign up for Laybuy, you'll need to visit this web address bar first and click on the sign up button at the top right. You can sign up as a shop or a merchant. Select any one option, and on the next page, enter a valid email address for yourself. Create a password on the next field. Make sure that you choose a password that is easier for you to remember and difficult for others to guess. Make sure to create at least 8 characters long password and click on this little box to agree to the privacy policy and terms and click get started. Follow through the prompts till the end and finish off your registration in order to sign up for Laybuy.com account. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.